IO House, the ultimate off-grid smart home. The IO House is a futuristic mobile home designed for complete independence. It doesn't need external connections for electricity, water, or sewage, making it perfect for remote locations. This high-tech house runs on solar power and has smart automation, allowing you to control everything with your phone. With a sleek, modern design, the IO House features floor-to-ceiling windows, giving you stunning views while keeping the interior bright and open. Inside, it comes fully furnished with premium materials, high-end appliances, and energy-efficient systems. It's like a luxury apartment, but you can place it anywhere, deep in the mountains, by a lake, or even in the middle of nowhere. This mobile home is all about freedom and comfort. Whether you want to live off-grid, travel in style, or just escape city life, the IO House offers a hassle-free, eco-friendly solution. The Naus Deo is the perfect adventure-ready motorhome for outdoor enthusiasts. Thanks to its smart fiber frame technology, it can easily transform based on your needs. At a campsite, it becomes a comfortable mini hotel with 4 cozy beds, and on the road, it acts as a garage for 2 motorcycles, offering both travel and storage convenience. Measuring 6 meters long and 2.3 meters wide, it's packed with all the essentials for a great trip. Inside, you'll find a 98-liter fridge, a stove, hot water, and heating, ensuring comfort in any season. The large rear door opens upwards, making it easy to load and unload gear, while a 24-inch retractable TV adds entertainment to your journey. With its modern functional design, the Naus Deseo is ideal for those who want to travel in style without giving up the freedom of the road. The Leisure Unity is not just a motorhome. It's a comfortable and stylish travel companion designed for adventure lovers. With a sleek design and customizable options, it lets travelers create a space that truly feels like home. Buyers can choose their own colors, finishes, and features, making each motorhome unique. Inside, every detail is designed for comfort. Handmade wooden furniture, soft French fabrics, and a fully equipped modern kitchen make life on the road feel luxurious. There are dedicated areas for sleeping, dining, and relaxing, ensuring you have everything you need for a stress-free journey. Built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis, the Leisure Unity is packed with smart safety features. Systems like Active Line Keeping Assist, Active Brake Assist, and Attention Assist help drivers stay safe and focused. A built-in touchscreen navigation system makes traveling easier. Marathon Coach number 13096. The Marathon Coach number 196 is a luxury home on wheels, designed for those who want to travel in comfort and style. With its sleek design and tinted windows, it offers privacy while allowing passengers to enjoy stunning views. Its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on rough roads, making long journeys feel effortless. Inside, it's like stepping into a 5-star hotel. The spacious living area has plush leather sofas and armchairs, perfect for relaxing. A beautifully lit dining table makes meals feel special, while the fully equipped kitchen includes modern appliances, a sink, and enough storage for a month's worth of supplies. When it's time to rest, the coach provides top-tier comfort. There are cozy bunk beds for guests, while the master bedroom is designed as a private retreat with luxurious details. Every part of this motorhome is built to provide a high-end travel experience. The Marchi Element Palazzo is one of the most luxurious and futuristic motorhomes ever made. Designed by Marchi Mobile in Austria, this high-end RV combines cutting-edge technology with 5-star hotel comfort. What makes it special? Ultimate luxury. Inside, you'll find a king-size bed, a stylish lounge, a modern kitchen, and a deluxe bathroom. Everything you need for a lavish road trip. Sky Lounge. With the press of a button, the roof extends to create a private terrace, perfect for relaxing with a view. Futuristic design. Inspired by supercars and private jets, its sleek, curved body improves speed and fuel efficiency. High-tech controls. The driver's seat feels like a jet cockpit with touchscreen controls, GPS, and smart driving features. Fully customizable. Want marble floors, leather seats, or even gold accents? You can personalize everything. The Mars 15 Premium is a perfect blend of off-road toughness and home-like comfort, designed for adventurers who love both luxury and exploration. At 6.5 meters long, this compact yet feature-packed camper offers everything you need for a hassle-free getaway. One of its coolest features? Two kitchens. There's a fully equipped indoor kitchen and an outdoor slide-out kitchen, so you can cook under the open sky. Inside, the smart layout comfortably fits two adults and two kids, making it ideal for family trips. Worried about the cold? You can add a diesel heating system, keeping you cozy even in bad weather. Thanks to its independent suspension, the Mars 15 Premium handles rough terrain with ease, ensuring a smooth ride wherever you go. And with its space-themed design, every journey feels like an expedition into the unknown. Maverick Vinales MV12. Maverick Vinales, known as MV12, is a speed machine on two wheels. A fearless and talented MotoGP rider, he's known for his sharp racing skills, bold overtakes, and never give up attitude. With years of experience in the top racing leagues, Vinales has built a reputation as one of the fastest and most determined riders on the grid. His journey in MotoGP has been full of thrilling battles, unexpected comebacks, and incredible podium finishes. Whether he's racing for Yamaha or Aprilia, his aggressive yet smooth riding style makes him a fan favorite. He's not just about raw speed. His technical precision and ability to adapt to different track conditions set him apart. Off the track, Vinales is a dedicated athlete, constantly training to push his limits. His passion for racing and relentless drive keep him in the fight for victories. With his MV12 nickname symbolizing his identity on the track, Microhaus is a compact and modern tiny home designed for both comfortable living and smart business opportunities. Whether you need a cozy personal retreat or a profitable rental unit, this tiny house is a turnkey solution ready to go from day one. With a rental rate of $120 per night, you could make over $2,000 in just 22 days. A great way to earn passive income. Its efficient design packs everything into a 5.8 meter long, 2.2 meter wide, and 2.5 meter tall space, offering a fully furnished interior with a TV, audio system, bedding, kitchenware, and more. Security and convenience are top-notch, with a password-protected entry system and built-in cloud-based diagnostics, all accessible through a mobile app. This means minimal maintenance and an easy setup for owners. The Microhaus is perfect for those looking to live simply and efficiently or start a profitable rental business. Pebbleflow is a smart, modern travel trailer designed for effortless adventures. Combining sleek design with cutting-edge technology, it makes road trips easier, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. Built with lightweight materials, the Pebbleflow is easy to tow, yet strong enough to handle different terrains. Its aerodynamic shape improves fuel efficiency, making long journeys smoother. But what truly sets it apart is its smart technology. With app-controlled features, you can adjust lighting, temperature, and security settings with just a tap on your phone. Inside, the space is thoughtfully designed for comfort and convenience. A cozy seating area transforms into a spacious sleeping space, while the fully equipped kitchen includes a stove, sink, fridge, and plenty of storage. The bathroom features a modern shower and toilet, giving you all the comforts of home no matter where you travel. Solar panels and an energy-efficient system allow for off-grid living, letting you explore without limits. The PodX Go Grande S1 combines the freedom of a camper with the comfort of a motorhome, making it a perfect travel companion. Designed to be easily towed by a Ford F-250, this impressive model expands into a spacious 34 square meter living space in just 15 minutes. Its Smart Edge One system acts as your personal assistant, letting you control all essential functions while also alerting you to smoke, break-ins, or other emergencies. Every inch of the interior is designed for maximum comfort and efficiency, offering a cozy space for living, relaxing, or working year-round. With self-leveling in parking lots and built-in solar panels, it's ideal for off-grid adventures. Whether you're camping, road tripping, or just enjoying a change of scenery, the Grande S1 is built to keep you comfortable. At $85,000, this high-tech, expandable home on wheels offers a unique blend of convenience, security, and modern design. Polydrop's P17X Explorer. The Polydrop's P17X Explorer is the perfect travel trailer for adventure seekers who want a compact, rugged, and energy-efficient home on wheels. Designed for off-road exploration, it combines durability with modern comfort, making it an ideal companion for any journey. With its aerodynamic, futuristic design, the P17X Explorer is lightweight and easy to tow, yet tough enough to handle rough terrains. Its all-terrain tires, reinforced frame, and off-grid capabilities let you take it anywhere, from remote mountains to desert landscapes. Built-in solar panels and an efficient battery system ensure you have power wherever you go. Inside, the cabin is surprisingly spacious and designed for comfort. The insulated walls keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer, while the cozy sleeping area provides the perfect place to rest after a long day of exploring. SLRV Unimog U430. The SLRV Unimog U430 is the ultimate off-road motorhome, built for those who crave adventure without sacrificing comfort. Designed to handle the toughest terrains, this rugged beast is ready to take you anywhere, from remote deserts to icy mountain trails. Powered by a strong and reliable engine, the Unimog U430 is built on a heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz chassis, ensuring durability and performance. Its advanced all-wheel drive system, high ground clearance, and off-road suspension allow it to conquer rough landscapes with ease. Inside, this expedition vehicle is just as impressive. The cozy living space is designed for comfort, featuring a well-equipped kitchenette, a comfortable sleeping area, and smart storage solutions to keep everything organized. The insulated walls and climate control system ensure a comfortable environment in any weather. A modern bathroom with a shower and toilet adds extra convenience, making off-grid living effortless. Snoozebox is a hotel on wheels that brings comfort and convenience anywhere you need it. Instead of a regular motorhome, this portable hotel offers a true hotel-like experience, perfect for events, festivals, and sports competitions. Each compact yet cozy room is designed to maximize space, offering a private bathroom, heating, a safe, and free Wi-Fi. Though the room is only 7.5 square meters, it features smart transforming beds that can comfortably sleep up to 4 people. Whether you're traveling alone or with friends, you'll have everything you need for a relaxing stay. Snoozebox has already delighted guests at major events like Formula One at Silverstone, putting them right in the middle of the action, without the hassle of long commutes or expensive hotels. Instead of booking a faraway room, imagine waking up just steps away from your event. No stress, just convenience. Starliner SL25. The Starliner SL25 is a luxurious and modern motorhome designed for travelers who want both style and comfort on the road. With its sleek design and high-end features, it turns every journey into a first-class experience. Built for both long trips and weekend getaways, the SL25 offers a spacious and well-thought-out interior. The living area features plush seating, perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. A fully equipped kitchen comes with all the essentials, including a stove, sink, refrigerator, and ample storage, making it easy to cook delicious meals on the go. When it's time to rest, the cozy sleeping area provides a peaceful retreat, while the stylish bathroom offers all the necessary amenities for convenience and privacy. Large windows bring in natural light, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. With its powerful performance, smooth handling, and top-tier comfort, the Starliner SL25 is more than just a motorhome. It's a home away from home. The Tiffin Allegro Bus is a top-of-the-line luxury motorhome built for comfort, performance, and modern convenience. Designed on the Powerglide chassis, it delivers a smooth and stable ride, making every journey effortless. With 4 spacious floor plans, including the 45 FP with a bath and a half, this RV offers plenty of room to relax. It's packed with cutting-edge technology, such as remote control features via the Eclipse module, Starlink Pro Wi-Fi for fast satellite internet, and a quiet Onan diesel generator to power everything. Step inside and you'll find handcrafted cabinets, heated porcelain tile floors, and stylish decor options. The exterior is just as stunning, with custom paint choices like Generation 11 and 12 allowing you to personalize your coach. The Allegro Bus is more than just an RV. It's a rolling luxury home, designed for those who want to travel in style without sacrificing comfort. Valentino Rossi's luxury motorhome, known as the Currency House of 46, is his personal getaway during MotoGP races. Designed by Rioja Vehicles, this massive home on wheels offers 85 square meters of space, making it as roomy as a stylish apartment. Pulled by a powerful 400 horsepower truck, it travels effortlessly from race to race. The exterior proudly features Rossi's famous number 46 and VR46 logo, making it instantly recognizable. Inside, it's packed with high-end comforts, a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom with a shower and toilet, a double bedroom with a king-size bed, and a spacious living area. There's even a laundry room, so Rossi always has fresh gear ready. This motorhome isn't just about convenience, it's about living in style while on the move. Whether he's resting between races or entertaining guests, the space offers privacy and relaxation at the highest level. A motorhome with vulnerable mobile performance means its connected systems, like GPS, smart controls, or internet features, aren't working as smoothly or securely as they should. This can happen due to outdated software, weak security settings, or slow connectivity. If the system is vulnerable, hackers could potentially access your GPS location, tamper with smart controls, or even disrupt essential functions. To keep your motorhome's mobile performance secure and efficient, always update its software, use strong passwords, and avoid public Wi-Fi networks that could expose your data. A slow or laggy system can also be caused by too many apps running in the background, so regularly clearing unused apps and cache files can help. If your motorhome's smart features feel sluggish, restarting the system, optimizing network settings, or even upgrading hardware can improve performance. Installing a reliable security system and a VPN can also help protect against cyber threats. The Winnebago Forza is a luxury motorhome built for adventure, offering both comfort and high performance. It runs on a powerful Cummins diesel engine and sits on a Freightliner XCS chassis, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride wherever you go. What makes the Forza stand out is its flexible floor plan options, allowing travelers to pick a layout that suits their needs. With space for 4 to 6 people, it's perfect for families or groups of friends. Inside, it features a cozy master bedroom and a convertible sofa, giving you plenty of room to relax. The fully equipped kitchen comes with a refrigerator, microwave, stove, and sink, making cooking on the road easy. The private bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and sink, ensuring all the comforts of home while you travel. Storage is another big plus. The Forza has plenty of cabinets, closets, and exterior compartments to keep your belongings organized.